Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make those very easy file folders that you can transform into a flipbook or just leave them the way they are. I've made several here. I posted on my Instagram. I used some crepe paper and Page Evans stickers. So as you can see, the finished product will look just like this. I did use my sewing machine on this. I'm going to show you two alternative ways to do this. The first thing you're going to need is two 6x6 scrapbook papers. You can obviously measure this 12 by 12, whatever size you need it, but I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. If you do not have a sewing machine, you can either use washi, red line tape, score tape, or even glue to seal this. For my toppers right here, I used a die cut, and if you don't have a die cut machine, the easiest way to do this would be just honestly scrap paper. These are the edges of some of the sheets that I have used, and you can easily put this together just like this and just glue it with some trimming. Obviously I just ripped that off, but I'm just showing you an alternative way for whenever we're done. Okay, so when you're done, it will look like this. Inside you'll have the pocket. I'm just going to show you. Okay, so let me just get started. So here are my two. Let me fix this. Okay, 6x6. So this is going to be my front cover, and this is going to be the back, which is going to be the inside lining. So to obviously make this easier, I'm not going to use my sewing machine today for those who don't have one. So what I'm going to do is just make sure, obviously if you want it to show the color inside, you want it to both face forward. So be sure to do that when you're taping it. I'm just going to add some tape. Make sure you leave the top open and just tape along here because that's going to be the open pocket. I'm going to use my score tape. Running out, so I've got to grab a little bit more. This is so easy. I just saw Paige's sticker book the other day, and I thought it would be a good idea because her colors are so vibrant and fun. Usually mine are pretty pastel and muted. Okay. And I'm going to try and make more tutorials, you guys. I'm not very video patient. I end up having to load it 3 times every single time I do a video because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just taking off the backing to the double-sided tape, which here I'm using score tape. Sorry if the lighting is not so great in here. It's actually cloudy. Okay, I'm just going to place my top piece on here, and with tape, be very, very careful with your alignment because you probably only get one chance to do this. Okay, and as simple as that, you already have your pocket. So now I'm going to add my topper, which I did sew on in my project. But like I said, I'm just going to use tape for this, for those who don't have a sewing machine. You can place it anywhere you want, wherever your file is going to go. I'm just going to place it right there. I'm going to probably just glue this one on. Don't want to put you guys through the pain of watching me tape because I don't know how to fast forward. Okay, so I do not like glue. Okay, just to make it a little pop, I'm just going to add a little sticker right here. This one says live, so I'm just going to put that on here. You can use any sticker you want. And voila, that's it. Now, okay, so I want to show you the alternative flipbook version. So instead of this each being file folders, if you want to make a flipbook, you can either turn it this way, leave it this way, and add the rings, and you're going to just be flipping right through, and this is going to be a little pocket. So ideally, you'll have a pocket, and then when you open the flipbook, you can place more along this. And add another page and add all your embellishments and everything else. So if you plan on doing that, you're going to need a hole punch, obviously. So I'm just going to add 2 holes to the side to show you what it's going to look like. Just kind of anywhere or wherever it matches your binder. Popping 2 holes. And I have these rings. I purchased these from Tuesday Morning. You can probably get them at any craft store. I think Michael's carries them in Hobby Lobby. And you will add the ring on there. And this will make the coolest flipbook because you're going to have all these pockets and pages. And it's going to look awesome. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.